Welcome to the studio. Come on in. In this area, we have a beautiful space for you to be able to get a little refreshment, treat yourself. So this is our state drink cheer wine, found this in North Carolina. And then of course, the drink of the South, sweet tea. Of course, stay hydrated with some water and get you some fruit snacks. One of the beautiful highlights about this space too is not only do we have a really cute waiting area with custom African art, but our favorite place for clients to jump in and get some selfies is right here in front of this huge selfie mirror. So you can check your outfit. And what we have here is a beautiful sitting area as well with our beautiful plants, a banana leaf plant. Her name is Bertha and she is quite voluptuous. But this wall here is just a nice, beautiful snakeskin textured wall. And the uplights, we can cast any color you like. I know it's a little hard to see because it's really bright. We have all this natural light coming in. But at night, we can add any color. We can wash this wall with any color of your choosing. So this is excellent if you are representing a brand and you want to incorporate their brand colors or your brand colors as an influencer, we can do that. We have tons of uplighting in this space, so we can truly make it custom and unique to you. If you're looking for a space just to get away and kind of have just a nice change of scenery or change of environment, this is the perfect place for you. This is our beautiful desk area. Not only can you use it for influencing purposes or a content day, but if you just want to come in and just work, this is a beautiful space to do it in with all these gorgeous views. So now I'm going to bring you to one of our beautiful feature rooms, which is our palm room, okay? It's a beautiful breezeway. This area can be used for, again, content. You can also use this space if you are hosting a podcast or want to invite a guest into a really kind of unique space. We have podcasting equipment here. We have candles, all types of things to really make this space unique to you. The art on the wall is custom done by yours truly. And so I'm super excited for lots of people to come in and use this space as a content space or an event space. Now I want to invite all of you MUAs and hairstylists into this beautiful space. I did not forget about you. We have this beautiful salon space specifically designed with you in mind. Lots of monochromatic feels. We have a beautiful salon, neon-like in pink, but this again can be changed or removed. We have an area for your hot tools and also a makeup chair. So you can just show up and get to work. And let's not forget, if you need an area for your bridal party to get ready in and you don't have enough space, this is 1,350 square feet. This is the perfect place for you to host your bridal parties or your clients who are in need of makeup services or hair services, because they have plenty of fabulous areas to hang out in and grab some content. All right, are you an influencer who needs to promote clothing or want to do a cute get dressed with me, but you don't want to do it in your own personal private space? Join us here and use our fabulous bedroom/closet area. Our balloon garland will change constantly. But we're gonna keep you girls in mind and keep it very neutral and monochromatic. But there's a great area for you to hang your wardrobe here. There's a seating area. Of course, we have a glam station because you're like really pretty. And you can do a get ready with me or even a makeup tutorial. These are just a few ways that you can use this space. Influencers, don't worry about dragging all of your lights out. We have beautiful lights here, constant lights that you can use for your session. So that's just one other thing. You don't have to bring out the house. You just show up and we have you. Okay, now welcome to the main part, okay, which is our beautiful natural light area. We do leave the drapery in here, so if you want it with or without, we can accommodate you. This space is perfect, again, for photographers, videographers, content creators, you name it. This space is perfect for you. We have our white background up, and if you are wanting to use photo papers, seamless photo papers, we have a variety of different colors and styles that are available for rent. We also have a staged area that is constantly changing. So be sure to follow us on social media so that you see the latest and greatest in our cool feature vignette. This month, or the first quarter of the year, we're gonna be highlighting our boho theme, just to tie in with the beautiful banana palm leaves and Big Bertha up front. So this is great, make some magic in this space. It's absolutely beautiful. We have tons of equipment for rent, bogan stands, constant lights, strobes, Godox flashes, stools, chairs, ladders. This truly can be your playground and make it your own. We have beautiful fans, so if you need the hair to move, and of course, just almost anything that you can think to rent, we can possibly accommodate you. This space is also phenomenal because everything is mobile. So if you just needed a huge, wide open space just to be creative in, this is the place for you. If you're looking to host some intimate events, we can take care of that as well. So definitely keep the space in mind. Okay, be sure to join us at Behind the Lens Content Studio on Instagram. And parking, of course, here is a cinch. So we are on the corner of Green Street in Washington, and we have Green Street Parking Garage right next door to us. Plenty of parking right here in front of the Carolina Theater. So getting here and having all of your people arrive, parking is a cinch. But thanks for coming out. Hopefully you'll be back to see us.